How to turn on Instagram sleep mode. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. As you do that, launch the Instagram application and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. After this, tap on your profile at the top right corner or just the hamburger icon at the top right corner. That will lead you to settings and privacy. So simply scroll down and tap on notifications. As you tap on notifications, you can see the option of sleep mode over here. So tap on sleep mode and here simply you need to do is toggle on the option. As you toggle on the sleep mode, you can select the time from when the sleep mode starts to when the time of sleep mode ends. You can also choose the days over here. So let's select the end time over here. And as you tap on save, you'll be able to turn on Instagram sleep mode. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.